yourself. You don't have any extraordinary power, so there's no need to keep on that tough guy act.
That's right! This is the power of the arrangement! Kerbeck's huge power! My huge power! Who cares about the law of nature? It doesn't matter how much you babble. There is no way you can win against me! You can't beat the strongest arrangement! This filthy, mud-covered world is not the place where I belong! I did become stronger. Much, much stronger. Go now, Kerbeck! The next one will finish it. This time I'll drop you into Hades personally.